Thanks, Phil. Before I start, I just wanted to let you know that the TMI images that you've seen out in the foyer, they're all out in SARIG. Give us a little bit of time for our web services. They'll probably be refreshed probably next week. But they're all out and ready to download via SARIG. Okay, good afternoon. I'm regularly asked what is next in the development of SARIG. How can our information and online platforms be improved to better serve the exploration industry in South Australia? This can be a really challenging question, especially when the digital landscape is ever evolving and there are smarter ways to access and interrogate data. SARIG on average has 15,000 users a year, utilising over 65,000 sessions from all ages across over 1,000 cities around the world. And before we started coding any new changes, we wanted to confirm what consistently our users are accessing SARIG for. What are their challenges, what are they encountering, and how can we develop SARIG to better support the data mining technologies of today and into the future? To help answer this question, earlier this year we engaged with Square Holes, a local research consultancy, to conduct a client and engagement research project. This project consisted of an online survey, focus groups, in-depth interviews across the exploration and mining industry, data scientists and other government agencies, academia and the general public. So what did we learn? We learned that our geoscientific data, publications and regulatory information are accessed daily, and that the state's government geoscience digital assets are mission critical to the exploration industry and for future investment in South Australia. We confirmed that our data reliability and accuracy is key, that accurate, up-to-date metadata such as our lineage, version history and source data to our derived products are vital for trusted reusability. SARIG users are consistently looking for more self-service opportunities to access information that are relevant to their needs. We heard that the ease of data extraction and improved pathways to data are crucial, reducing reliance on manual processes. More machine-readable web services and APIs are becoming the new norm in geoscience data delivery. And that's what you're asking for, a seamless connectivity relationship. Combining our client feedback and dynamic project portfolio, we wanted to provide an overarching strategy to proactively develop the foundations to increase the Geological Survey's digital footprint of South Australia. We wanted to deliver projects and platforms that can integrate future exploration technologies such as machine learning, artificial intelligence and big data analytics. We wanted to ensure that these foundations can deliver emerging exploration technologies, such as future mineral system modelling, exploration methods and data integration tools. To be able to harness the value of geoscience knowledge for data-driven planning and decision-making to facilitate the state's continual growth in mineral exploration and discovery of natural resources for a sustainable energy future. Today, I'm delighted to be able to release the first geological survey of South Australia's digital strategy, Digital to the Core. To develop our future digital foundations, we have identified four core areas to focus on. Digital ecosystem, to develop trusted, secure, high-performing digital ecosystem, enabling us to produce world-leading geoscience connectivity to our stakeholders. Digital leadership, to establish a high-level digital governance framework within the survey to enable strategic decisions and to build our strengths, skills and learning culture in emerging digital technologies. Digital exchange, seamless data exchange to stimulate national and international partnerships and collaborations to further digitally enable science innovation. And digital delivery, to innovate with past and future data collections, providing the right tools for future exploration and research technologies. Whoops, sorry, I was out of sync there. Sorry about that. Two projects within the digital strategy are the modernisation of SA Geodata and the Geo-Reference database. The state's primary geoscientific data repository, SA Geodata, is at the core of the GSSA, encompassing data from the state's drill core digital registry, government and industry exploration programs, gravity surveys, the stratigraphy library, field mapping observations, and over 9,000 mineral deposits and occurrences. The SA Geodata Restart project will be a significant technology refresh to deliver a data management system that will improve business processes such as data ingestion and data cleansing, and will better support modern data delivery technologies and modern data analytical techniques. The Geo-Reference replacement project, for the first time, will unify searching across SARIG. The new SARIG catalogue is an expansion of the current product catalogue software and will be a place to find, access and connect to South Australian geoscience information, such as publications and reports, spatial data, geophysics and seismic data sets, web services and our map collections. Not only are we significantly improving the online searching capabilities, but the catalogue is also machine readable service. And by using the OGC international standards and publishing for the first time a South Australian vocabulary service, we will provide the tools for seamless connection. And I'm sure you'll be happy to hear that in our new catalogue, you'll be able to bulk download your selections and downloads, and for high volume data sets, you'll be able to utilise our cloud transfer option. So I couldn't leave without talking about a little bit of SAIRIG updates that are coming our way. So that's what I'm going to finish off. The first one is a new tool that we're hoping to have out by the end of this year, and this tool is going to provide the ability to upload custom spatial layers into SARIG, with the added functionality to customise the symbology for your points, lines and polygons. You'll be able to upload files such as a CSV, Esri shape and geodatabase formats, KML and also web map services. We've also been working on some tweaks with our menus. So basically, we're going to, so our menu items are going to be a little bit tweaked, and then also we're going to revisit and revise the theme categories. So this has been out today, so these little tweaks came out today, so I do encourage you to come on and have a look at the themes and utilise the themes, but love your feedback on how they're what you're thinking. If you do have any problems, please clear your cache. Sometimes when we do some recoding, the cache does need to be cleaned or cleared on your browser, but please let us know how we're going with these themes. Also, what we have done is for the map layers list, we've put in the ability to collapse and uncollapse by groups. I know a lot of people have been asking for this, so finally today it's out there. We will also be adding next year, probably early next year, is a Geochemistry Widget, and this will be added to the SARIG main menu and will allow our users to be able to custom select commodities and by sample type and request a statewide export. And this will be delivered in a wide table format, which I'm sure you're going to be happy about as well, because you've been asking this for a long, long time. Along with this release, there's going to be a new spatial data set suite of about 10 maximum layers, and that will be the maximum downholes. So that's going to be a really good release to come out across with all the geochemistry. Okay, so throughout presentations today, we've seen some really good new geoscience visualisation, and we've got some really good new delivery technologies in development. The digital strategy is well underway. If you'd like to know more, please, I encourage you to download the strategy. It's out to be downloaded, and yeah, thank you.